Today we are going to discuss the synthesis of 4-bar mechanism for body guidance. So here's the question. Synthesis a 4-bar mechanism to guide a rod AB through 3 consecutive positions A1, B1, A2, B2 and A3, B3 as shown in the figure. So you can see that AB is the rod. So this is your AB rod and its 3 positions AB, A1, B1, A2, B2 and A3, B3. Its 3 positions are also given. You can see that the coordinates of A1 is 2, 6 and B1 is 2, 0. B2 is 5, 2 and it's inclined at an angle of 50 degree with the horizontal. And A2 can be marked by taking the same distance, A1, B1, this same distance from this point B2 at an inclination of 50 degree, you can get the point A2. Next is B3 and A3. A3 is at 12, 6 and B3 is at 6, 6. So what first you have to do is you have to plot exactly the points and complete the road A1, B1, A2, B2 and A3, B3. So next I will explain how to carry out the synthesis. So first of all, what we have to do is join A1 and A2. So first of all, I am going to join A1 and A2. Then I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector of the line A1, A2. So now I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector. So this is the perpendicular bisector of A1, A2. Next step, I am going to join A2 and A3. So next I am going to join A2 and A3. Again I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector of the line A2, A3. So these 2 perpendicular bisectors will meet at a common point and I am naming this point as OA. In the next step, you have to join the points B1 and B2. So now I am joining the point B1 and B2. After that, I have to draw the perpendicular bisector of B1, B2. Now I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector of B1 and B2 of the line B1, B2. So this is the perpendicular bisector of the line B1, B2. Next, I am going to join the points B2 and B3. I am going to join the points B2 and B3. Again, I have to draw the perpendicular bisector of the line B2, B3. Now you can see that these 2 perpendicular bisectors, that is the perpendicular bisector of B1, B2 and B2, B3 will meet at a common point OB. OB is the common point at which the bisectors of B1, B2 and B2, B3 will meet. This OA and OB are the 2 fixed points. So this is one fixed point and this is another fixed point. So now what we have to do is you have to join this OA to A. OA to A. So I am joining this OA to A and OB to B. OB to B. So this is your required 4-bar mechanism. That is OB, B1, A1, OA. So this is your required 4-bar mechanism. So I will explain the problem once again. So first of all, you have to mark the points A1, B1, A2, B2, A3 and B3. Then join the rod, that is A1, B1. So this is your first line. Then A2, B2. So your second line. Then third one. So after that, you have to join this A1, A2. Okay, join this A1, A2. Then you have to draw the perpendicular bisector. Okay, draw the perpendicular bisector of A1, A2. Then join A2, A3. Then the perpendicular bisector of A2, A3. These two will meet at a common point OA. Okay, so mark the point OA. After that, join the point B1 and B2. Mark the perpendicular bisector of B1, B2. Then join B2 and B3. Draw the perpendicular bisector of B2, B3. These two perpendicular bisectors will meet at a common point OB. Then mark the point OB. After that, join this OB with to B. After that, join this OB to B and OA to A1. Okay. After that, join this OB to B1 and OA to A1. It's a very simple procedure. Please try this question. Thank you.